Welcome! In this lesson, we will factor the quartic polynomial x to the fourth minus 7x cubed plus 13x squared plus 3x minus 18, using a combination of the factor theorem, synthetic division, and then the grid method to multiply the final factors. Our goal is to factor the polynomial completely, and then use color-coded grids to verify the multiplication. Step 1. Use the factor theorem to find a root. Let's test x equals 2. We evaluate p of 2. 2 to the fourth, minus 7 times 2 cubed, plus 13 times 2 squared, plus 3 times 2, minus 18. That equals 16, minus 56, plus 52, plus 6, minus 18, which is 74 minus 74, which is 0. Because p of 2 equals 0, x minus 2 is a factor. Now we divide by x minus 2 using synthetic division to reduce the degree. The coefficients are 1, negative 7, 13, 3, and negative 18. Bring down 1, multiply by 2, and add repeatedly. The resulting cubic is x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 9. Next, we test simple candidates for the cubic. Try x equals negative 1. Negative 1 cubed minus 5 times negative 1 squared plus 3 times negative 1 plus 9 equals 0. So x plus 1 is a factor. Divide the cubic by x plus 1 using synthetic division. Bring down 1, multiply by negative 1, and add across. The result is the quadratic x squared minus 6x plus 9, which is a perfect square. So the complete factorization is x minus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 3 squared. We will now use the grid method with colors to multiply and verify that product equals the original quartic. First grid, multiply x minus 2 by x plus 1. Fill the 2 by 2 box with the partial products. Combine negative 2x and positive x to get negative x, so the product is x squared minus x minus 2. Second grid, multiply x minus 3 by x minus 3. Fill the products and color code them. Combine negative 3x and negative 3x to get negative 6x, so the product is x squared minus 6x plus 9. Final grid. Multiply the trinomials x squared minus x minus 2 and x squared minus 6x plus 9. We'll use a 3 by 3 box to compute all 9 partial products with distinct colors. Then we will collect like terms to recover the original quartic. Therefore, the factorization is x minus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 3 squared. The colored grid multiplication confirms the original polynomial,